Cooking breakfast. I like cooking breakfast in the morning. It makes me feel happy and ready for the day. I usually make eggs, toast, and a cup of tea. Sometimes I cook pancakes or oatmeal with fruit. My favorite breakfast is scrambled eggs with cheese. I also like to drink orange juice because it's fresh and sweet. When I cook, the kitchen smells really good. On weekends, my family and I make breakfast together and listen to music. We talk, laugh, and enjoy our meal. Cooking breakfast is fun and helps me start the day in a good mood.